How to start affiliate marketing with your phone. You don't actually need a laptop to do affiliate marketing in Nigeria. You can start affiliate marketing using only your phone. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started today. Now, these are the quick steps to start affiliate marketing with your phone. First, enroll for a good affiliate marketing training. Second, learn the skills. And thirdly, use your phone to implement the secret strategies. These are the simple ways to start affiliate marketing in Nigeria with just your phone. Don't worry, I am going to break down the steps so that you will understand it properly. I have gotten a series of questions from different people, and these are some of the questions. The first one, can I do affiliate marketing with my phone? Secondly, can you do affiliate marketing without a laptop? And the third question, how much money do I need to start affiliate marketing with phone? Now, if you noticed in the beginning of this video, I mentioned that you don't need a laptop to do affiliate marketing. I started with that just to answer these questions. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get started and how much you actually need to get started. Now, how to start affiliate marketing with your phone in Nigeria. Step 1. Enroll for a good affiliate marketing training. This is the first step to take in doing affiliate marketing with your phone. Think about it. Can you actually be successful in a business that you don't have an idea about? Absolutely no. The same thing applies to affiliate marketing. Most people that failed in affiliate marketing was as a result of not going through a training. They think that it is a waste of money, but when they try to do it on their own, they will end up spending more money than the cost of the training they would have taken. I know why I am saying this so that you don't do the same mistake. If you want to get the exact training that gave me success in affiliate marketing, not just me alone, but most of my friends and students, check out the first link in the video description and you will get access to this particular training. Now, step 2, learn the skills. Once you have gotten the training, study it very well and learn all the skills taught in the training. It contains actionable steps you can follow to ensure that you succeed in affiliate marketing business. Most of the strategies taught in the training can be implemented with your Android phone. Step 3. Use your phone to implement the secret strategies. Now that you have studied the training, the next thing is to go ahead and implement what you learned. It is not all about buying the training and studying the training. It is all about implementation. If you don't implement, it's just a waste of time for you. So you need to implement what you studied. That's just the important aspect. Now let's talk about how to get free traffic to your affiliate links using phone. If you don't know what free traffic means, it simply means your potential customers you acquire for free. They are the people that are going to buy your affiliate product. Without traffic, your business is not going to survive. No traffic, no sales. It is as simple as that. Now let me show you the different strategies to use and get free traffic to your affiliate links. The first strategy is to use YouTube videos to drive traffic to your affiliate links. With your phone, you can start making promotional videos, upload them to YouTube to start getting traffic to your affiliate link. All you need is to insert your affiliate link in your video description. When people watch your video, they will click the affiliate link in your video description and purchase your affiliate product. I personally use YouTube videos to get free traffic. I run about 3 different YouTube channels for my 3 different online businesses. It is a gold mine for free traffic. Method number 2, use Pinterest to get traffic with your phone. Pinterest is a search engine like Google and YouTube where people search for solutions. Use your phone to make Pinterest pins that solve a problem in your niche. Pinterest allows you to add your website link in your pins. If you don't have a website, you can add your WhatsApp group link there to drive the traffic to your WhatsApp group. Now, how much money do I need to start affiliate marketing? Let me tell you, the only money you need to spend now is the money for purchasing the affiliate marketing training. As of the time of recording this video, the price for the course is 10,000 naira and the price will soon go up to 15,000 naira. I bought the training when the price was 5,000 naira. If you don't act fast, they will still take the price to 15,000 naira. So the choice is yours to make. If you want to get the affiliate marketing for beginners training, check out the first link in the video description. I have a free bonus for you. From my years of experience in affiliate marketing, I have gathered the list of 7 affiliate programs that pay Nigerians in naira and in dollars. If you want to download the ebook for free, you will see the link to download it in the video description. Go down to the video description and download this particular ebook for free. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a profitable online business which you can do with your phone and earn consistent income online. I have showed you how to start affiliate marketing with your phone in Nigeria and how to get free traffic to your affiliate links. Now, what should you do next? First thing you should do is to get the affiliate marketing for beginners training. Study it and implement the strategies. I am sure you will get amazing results and you will be happy to make this move towards transforming your financial status. If you want to see exactly how I personally promote my WhatsApp group and get members to join my WhatsApp group, watch this video on the screen. It will show you everything you need to know.